Hello, today I'm in Renault Kadjar. In this video I'll show you how to use media panel. In the beginning, take a look behind right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the media panel. Thanks to this panel we can increase the volume of the radio, decrease it, we can mute the radio. Now we can change radio station by rolling the knob behind. We can activate telephone, change source of the radio, and in the end we can confirm our choice. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.